As 2023 comes to a close, and being the stewards of your needs, I would like, on behalf of Econet-Burundi Executive Management and staff, to thank you all, our valued customers, for the support that you gave us throughout the year. As we continue with our journey of a digital connected future that leaves no Burundian behind, I would like to announce that we kickstarted our mega project of network refresh and modernization by extending data network coverage and upgrading capacity in Bujumbura, Gitega, Ngozi, and Rumonge during the course of the year. The completion of this first phase of the network refresh and modernization resulted in a significant improvement in data network quality and experience. Despite all these challenges that are obtaining in our operating environment, I want to say to you, we are here to serve you. It is our belief as a company that the race is not the swift, nor the battle to the strong, but to those that endure until the end. Allow me to take this opportunity to wish you and your families a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.